Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel with another video and another solution to Google Sheet problems. Not actually exactly problem, but the difficulties we face. Now, this video is about alternating colors. You see, you can easily do alternative colors like this, or your colors of your choice from format alternating colors, right? So it gives you an option. But I was checking, and there was no way I could find a direct option where you can do alternating colors instead of in rows, but columns, like this row colored, this column colored, this one colored, and like that, to have a more comparison in a vertical way. Now, I have done one solution which I found is a formula which we will do. So if you're looking for to make a report for any kind of reason, and you want rows in alternative colors and columns in alternating colors, then you can simply do that with one formula, right? And the formula is this one, which I'll also write in my video description as well for you guys to copy it. Now, in order to do that, what we need to do is first of all copy the formula, right? Once we have the formula copied, and then what we do is we select the area or columns or where we want to do it, and then we go to format, conditional formatting, and now it we select custom formula is, and we enter the formula here. Now it is giving me alternative colors in columns as well. Now I can select the color, whichever color I want it to be. Well, no, that's very irrelevant color as per theme. So you can select any color which you want to do, like gray or whichever color you select. But you have a solution for alternating colors in columns. So I hope this video is helpful. But just before you guys go, one more thing. In my every video, I share one of the bonus point as well, which in the last video was colors. This is a color palettes template for you guys to pick any color if you want to make your sheets more beautiful and more attractive. Then you can pick any color from this, and simply select that color by clicking, and it will copy the color code, and you can simply enter in your additional colors. Right. So this time what we are talking about is more of a data. Instead of making your files more beautiful, we are talking about data. Yeah, so the bonus tip for this video is visual capitalists. You can use website, you can follow their social media channels to have an update every other day for a very precise and very visually good data. So this one, let's say we're looking at visualization Google search trend and engine market share, right? So if you look at 90.7% is Google share in terms of search engine, and the way they present the data is very easy to visualize that and have the information. For example, if you look at any other report as well, the way they present the report is very good, and you can use the data or images for your presentation, for your work as well, as far as you credit this company as well. So if you look at this one, top 100 most valuable brands, so you can easily see by the size which companies are bigger, and the way the data is presented, and a bit more information is given as well. Similarly, if you look at the most popular Halloween costumes, you will be able to see the bigger or the first one, which is the most popular. The most popular is Barbie for Halloween. All right, okay, yeah, but the data, the way you see the data is what's the key benefit of this website, and it has a lot of different areas and sections where you can explore the data for money, technology, healthcare, and other areas as well. I hope you like my video and the extra benefit as well that comes in terms of extra tip for having additional websites.